Did you know that plants can actually drink nutrients through their roots, and the right ones can make them grow bigger and faster? It's true. Understanding how plants absorb nutrients is the secret sauce to having a thriving garden. Stick around because we're diving into the 5 essential nutrients every plant needs to thrive. Hey there, plant lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super important for your green buddies: essential nutrients. If you want your plants to grow big, lush, and vibrant, you need to know what they're craving. Let's get into why these nutrients are crucial for your plant's health and growth. Alright, let's face it. We've all been there, spending hours in the garden only to have our plants look sad and droopy. So frustrating, right? One of the biggest challenges gardeners encounter is not giving their plants the right nutrients. Without the right food, plants can suffer from stunted growth, yellow leaves, and even disease. If your plants aren't thriving, it might be time to check their nutrient levels. Poor nutrition leads to weak, unhealthy plants that can't reach their full potential. But don't worry. I'm here to help you tackle this challenge head-on. Now, let's break down those 5 essential nutrients that every plant needs: nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. First up is nitrogen. This nutrient is crucial for leafy growth. It helps plants create chlorophyll, which is essential for photosynthesis. If your plants are growing yellow leaves, they might be lacking nitrogen. Next is phosphorus. This guy is all about root development and flower production. It helps plants store and transfer energy, making it vital for strong roots and beautiful blooms. Then we have potassium, which is like the bodyguard of your plants. It helps regulate water use, improves disease resistance, and encourages strong stems. If you want a plant that can withstand a little wind or rain, potassium is your friend. Moving on to calcium, which is key for cell wall structure. It helps your plants stay strong and healthy, preventing issues like blossom end rot in tomatoes. Finally, we have magnesium, the unsung hero. It plays a crucial role in photosynthesis and helps your plants use other nutrients effectively. Now, let me share a quick story with you about my friend Sarah. She had a struggling tomato plant that just wouldn't grow. After doing some research, she realized her plant was missing those key nutrients. She started adding a balanced fertilizer rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and guess what happened? Within weeks, her tomato plant transformed. It shot up in height, produced an abundance of flowers, and eventually, she was able to harvest the biggest, juiciest tomatoes she'd ever seen. It was like a complete makeover for her plant. Talk about an inspiring comeback. So, to wrap it all up, remember that the 5 essential nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, are vital for your plants to thrive. They each play a unique role in promoting growth, health, and productivity. If you want your plants to be the best they can be, make sure they're getting these nutrients. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever struggled with giving your plants the right nutrients? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my video on common gardening mistakes to make sure you're on the right track for your green thumb journey.